Hello and welcome back to Liana's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a recipe for cooking a roast pork joint in an air fryer. The pork is really soft and tender and full of flavour, and the crackling is perfectly crispy. I cooked this in the Ninja Dual air fryer, but you can cook it in any model. So start by removing the pork from its packaging and pat it dry using some kitchen towel. Leave the string in place and score the fat with a sharp knife. Next, brush some olive oil over the rind and rub about 1 teaspoon of salt across it and into the scored cuts. Next, place the pork loin into the air fryer basket, making sure there's enough space above it so it doesn't touch the heating element above. How long to cook a pork loin joint in an air fryer? The length of time it takes to air fry pork loin will depend on the size and weight of the joint. The first time you cook it using your air fryer, keep a closer eye on it, checking for doneness as you go along. The pork is ready when the juices run clear and there's no pink meat. The internal temperature should be at least 63 degrees Celsius. I air fried this pork joint, which weighed 1.2 kilograms, for 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Check on it at the 30-minute mark and then turn the joint over. You can use these cooking times as a rough estimate for your pork joint, or head over to Liana's Kitchen to use a calculator. I'll put a link to the recipe in the description down below. So a 900-gram pork joint cooked for 45 minutes, 1.2 kilograms cooked for 60 minutes, and 1.5 kilograms cooked for 75 minutes. But before we check on the finished result, did you know that you can find all my recipes on my blog over at Liana's Kitchen? You will find photos, a printable recipe, as well as plenty of other air fryer recipes. At the end of the 1 hour cooking time, check that the pork loin is cooked all the way through. The juices should run clear and there should be no pink bits. If you're not sure, use a meat thermometer and check the internal temperature is at 63 degrees Celsius. So the crackling hopefully should be crispy and hard. So once you've removed the pork from the air fryer, leave it to rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. I hope you've enjoyed this air fryer pork recipe. For more air fryer recipes, please check out my other videos or head over to Liana's Kitchen. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.